guys, my name is Alicia Amin, or you may know me as Hangriii. So I'm heading out to a party and I really want to recreate this look. So I'm gonna play with my Sandbox. Let's try this out. So did a look like this at a shoot. Let's see whether I can do it by myself. I am so happy that I actually made this work. These are two awesome colors from Sandbox Cosmetics. So the darker one is called Smokin' Hot and the lighter one is called Life's a Beach. These are two colors out of a 10 color collection and it's called Tropical Euphoria. You can get it on their website. It's in the description or caption depending on where you're watching this. I'm gonna head out, guys. It's gonna be a long night.